What are you guys doing in here? Trent? Chaser, what are you doing? Was that fun? T-Man. You guys sure make a mess. Chaser, don't eat toilet paper. I think it's all gone, Trent. Nice mess. T-Man. Was that fun? Oh, bless you. You gonna pick it all up now? Chaser, don't eat it, honey. Well, looks like Mom's got to get a new roll.